Okay, good evening, student. Welcome for revision lecture of prelim. Uh, in starting, we have planned to take the prelim in school only, but now cases are increasing, so it is not possible to call you all in school. So very seriously, you have to give the exam. First of all, utilize 2 hours only. So in exam, here you will get suppose more time, but in exam you will get only 2 hours. So within that 2 hours, no, ready with your long scale, pencil, eraser, everything, graph even. Be ready before 7 o'clock, and during that time, don't search because you are in your home only. So first of all, you prepared with all the materials, pen, pencil, eraser, rounder, whatever, graph book also, because two questions at least they will ask. It is not compulsory, but if rest of you can't appear, so that will be beneficial. So first question I am taking from Manasvi. He has given one question that A is something and D is something, how to find N, but there we have not to find N. A is 7, D is 6. A is 7, D is 6. Find AP. So Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So A is 7, N is not given. This is given 6. 7, 6, N minus 6. This 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 6N. Now here suppose they will ask find third term. So 3T3 is equal to 6 3s are 80 plus 190. 10. 6 tens are 60 plus 161, like that. Now anybody have their doubts, question? Because I told that you have to send so that I can mark, I can write separate your question. Pratiksha, I am taking your question. Wait. Anybody wants to ask Pratiksha? See, bacha, that they are raising their hand or they are asking question. Manasvi Pawar, you got bacha?
Yes, Sir Preeti and Mansi.
Allow them bacha.
Yes, sir.
Preeti say beta. Preeti, Preeti, Manasvi, Mansi, who want to speak? Speak bacha fast. Hello. Pratiksha, allow them bacha.
Sir, I have allowed.
Okay. Preeti, ask bacha.
Sir, page number 72.
Wait. Ah.
Third one. Third sum.
Find the sum of all even number from 1 to 350, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Even number. First 1 to 350. 1, 2, 3, 4, 349, 350. But we want even number. 2, 4, 6, 350. So here A is 2. Difference is also 2. And last number is 350. From 1 to 350 numbers, half even, half odd. So it will be 175. That orally we have calculated, but by the formula we will get. Okay. So En is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So whenever you have to find N, don't open the bracket. So 350 is equal to 2 N minus 1 D. So 350 minus 2 is equal to N minus 1, D is 2. Now this is 348, this 2 goes down, is equal to N minus 1. This is 174, N minus 1. 1 goes this side, 175 is equal to n. Now we have to find Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So n is 175 by 2. 2a means 2 into 2 plus 175 minus 1, 2. So this is same 175 2s are. Now 2 common, so 2 only. 2 common, so 174 only. Now this cancel. 175 into 176. Do the product and whatever the answer, that is your sum of even number from 1 to 130 to 335. Next number.
Sir, one more is there.
Take page number, sum number.
Page number 80.
80, correct. Next.
10th.
10th. 10, 1 0, 10.
Yes. Yes.
Rest of the student, please be ready with your sums. There are 35 terms in AP. Sum of 3 terms placed exactly at the middle is 2 to 5. The sum of the last 3 terms. If there are 1, 2, 3, this 35, 36, 37. So how to find exactly middle term? 37 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 38 divided by 2, that is 19. So 19 is the middle, 20 is the next, 18 is the previous. So from 1 to 37, exactly 3 middle terms are 18, 19, 20. They have given sum T18 plus T19 plus T20. Is it 2 to 5? In last 3 terms, T35, T36, T37 is 4, 26 or 9. Priti got the first point. How to find the middle?
Yes.
If it is odd, add 1, make it half, that is the exact middle term. So exact middle term is 19, 18 this side, 18 this side. So 18 plus 18, 36. And this one is the exact middle. Previous one, next one. So these are the middle 3 terms. T19, T18, T19, T20 is equal to 2 to 5. Condition number 1. The last 3 numbers, sum of last 3 terms, T35, T36, T37 is this. Now you know that how to find out T18, that is A plus 17D. Why n minus 1? This is A plus 18D. Why 19 minus 1? This is A plus 19D. It is 2 to 5. This is A plus 34D by formula, correct? Got? Priti got how I am writing A plus 35D plus A plus 36D. Suppose you want T9, it is A plus 8D. Why? A plus n minus 1D. So n is what? 9 minus 1. So that is 8. Every time 1, 1, 1, 1 less, that is D. Priti got?
Yes, sir.
A, 3A. Plus 17 plus 18 plus 19. 54D is equal to 2 to 5. All divided by 3. So this A plus 9D is equal to 75. This is A plus A plus A, 3A plus 105 D is equal to 429. All divided by 3. A plus 35 This is
नहीं हो जाएंगे करो.
now this comes down. A plus 18D is equal to 75. What exactly we want? Final answer. Write AP. So, this minus this, it is 0. This minus this is 70. This minus this is 25 plus 60. So D is equal to 68 divided by 17. Now this again here. A plus 18, D means what? 4 is equal to 75. So A is equal to 75 minus 3. A is 3, D is 4, difference is 4. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 4, 19 plus 4, 23. So this is your AP. Got A you got, D you got by 2 condition. Next. Manasvi, you want to ask? Who want to ask? Ask.
Sir, one more is there. 11th one.
Page number 7 first.
80. Below. A plus B, A plus C, that one.
Hmm. Eleventh.
Yes, sir.
First term T1 is equal to A. T2 is equal to B. Therefore, difference is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to B minus A. Correct?
Yes.
Last term Tn is equal to C. Show that the sum. So Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket T1 plus T2. T1 plus Tn, sorry. Correct? And Tn. So Sn Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. What is Tn? It is C. What is first number A? What is n? We don't know. What is D? Difference B minus A. So first this C minus A divided by B minus A. This minus this goes this side is equal to n minus 1. Now C minus A divided by B minus A minus plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to cross product C minus A plus B minus A divided by B minus A. So n is equal to C plus D minus 2A divided by B minus A. So n substitute karo. C plus D minus 2A divided by 2. What is T1? It is A. What is T2? Tn plus B. So you got. Last term is C, sorry, C. So A plus C, C plus B minus 2A divided by 2. So from Tn find n, substitute A, substitute Tn, substitute difference. Next.
So, page number 127. Ninth question.
Ninth question. Very good. So Sn is what? This. Sorry, number of S is what? This. Number of A is what? This. Correct? So this is
Yes, sir.
77, this is 50. So area is equal to length into breadth is equal to 77 into 50. And here radius is given. How much? 7 centimeter. So area is equal to pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. So probability of A is equal to number of A, number of S. So number of A, that is 22 by 7. That is 77, 50. This 11s are 11 2s are 2 25s are. Finally 1 by 25, that is the probability.
So, and page number 128.
Here total area means rectangle. Among that small part we are taking means circle. 28 thing. Say
13th and 14th. Page number 128, 13 and 14.
13 14, no? 13.
Yes.
Okay. Each card bears letter from the word mathematic. Here you can, it is not a set, so here you can repeat the letter. So S is equal to, where it is? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct? Probability of M. M one time, M two time. So number of A. So probability of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. This is the final answer. Out of 200 students of the school, 130 like kabaddi, remaining students do not like the game. If one student is selected at the random from all the students, find out the probability that the student selected doesn't like kabaddi. Total student 200. Kabaddi 135. Not kabaddi 65. So for kabaddi probability is equal to number of K divided by number of T. T means S. And probability of not kabaddi, which are not playing kabaddi, what you are finding difficult, bacha, in this? With kabaddi, sorry, 135. Non-kabaddi 65. With 5 you can cut 5 ones are 5 sevens are 5 twos are 5 fours are. नेक्स्ट प्रतीक्षा बोलो, और कोई है पूछने को या फिर आप ही पूछ लो? वो प्रतीक्षा, हेलो प्रतीक्षा.
Yes, sir.
Pratiksha is sleeping. Now your turn. Tell me. Page number 29, correct? Page number 29, sum number 2, right? Pratiksha?
Yes, sir.
29, 2, correct?
Sum number 2 and
What?
number 2 and 6.
Two I am doing. Wait. I am not robotic. Huh. Kantabai bought 1.5 kg tea, 5 kg sugar. Okay, so paid the this. Find the rate of the this. Okay. Name, weight, cost, amount. Two things: tea, sugar. Tea 1.5 kg, sugar 5 kg. This we don't know, this we don't know. So this is 1.5x 5y. I am explaining. Wait. And rickshaw, auto, direct 50 rupees. Total 1.5x plus 5y plus 50 is equal to 700 rupees. Try to understand. In first round, she is expending money in three ways. T 1.5 kg, but the rate cost of 1 kg that we don't know, that we have to find out. So x. So this into this. Suppose it is 2 kg, 10 rupees, 2 into 20 rupees, like that. Sugar 5 kg. Suppose it is 10 rupees. So 5 tens are 50 rupees. So first cost plus second cost and plus auto rickshaw. So overall total they have given 700. All multiply by 10. So this will go 1.5x plus 50y is equal to 700. Now all divided by 50, multiply by 10. Now divide by 5. 5 threes are 5 tens are 145 are 700. Okay, now they have changed. 2 kg tea. Now name, weight, cost, amount. Tea, sugar. Tea 2 kg, sugar 7 kg. So this is x, this is y. 2x, 7y. Now without auto, it is 880. So 2x plus 7y. Correct. You got two equation. Now you can solve two equation. This is 3x plus 10y. Multiply this by 3, multiply this by 2. So it will be equal. 6x, 21x, 21y. Only double. So now minus, so this will go. This is y. When you will multiply, it is this. Sorry. All multiply by 10. Sorry. So this is 1.5x. This is 1.5x plus 5y. 50 less, so it is 650. Multiply by 10, so 15x plus 50y is equal to 6500. Now divide by 5. Multiply by 10, divide by 5. 5 threes are. Correct. Now this is 3, 10, 13. Double. So the difference is 40 rupees. Sugar 40 rupees. Now you place here 3x plus 10y. So 3x plus, this is 40, 40 tens are 400. 1300 minus 400. 3 threes are. So tea cost 300 per kg. Sugar cost 40 rupees per kg. Here my mistake was that 50 I have not considered. So it is minus. So multiply by 10. So decimal will omit and 00. Then divide by 5. You will get this. Next. Pratiksha, next. Pratiksha, got you? You are getting or any doubts, bacha? You can ask again. No problem.
Yes.
Pratiksha, which next sum, bacha?
Question number 6, sir.
6. That is very good question. Here A is there. Here B is there. This is 30 meter. Travel A from B and B from A. A meet. Find the speed of both. So speed is x, speed is y. Time 20 minutes, 20 by 60 is equal to 1 by 3 hours. 1 by 3 hours. So distance, speed of this is x, speed of this is y. A will travel.
Sir, screen is black.
Huh? What? Speed not given. Find the speed of both. Listen again. Speed of A is x, speed of B is y. And both are meeting after 20 minutes. 20 minutes means 20 divided by 60 hours. So 20 by 60 is 1/3. 1/3 hours. So both will travel 1/3 hour. Speed is equal, distance is equal to speed into time. So this will travel x by 3. This will travel x by y. From here it will travel x by y, x by 3. From here it will travel y by 3. Total it is 30. So x by 3 plus y by 3 is equal to 30. So change, multiply by 3. So x plus y is equal to 900. So y is equal to 900 minus x. Now both are going in same direction. From A to B, they are meeting here. Here they are meeting here, C. Now here they are meeting here, C. So again speed, time, distance. Speed again x, speed again y, time. Now time. 3 hours. 3 hours. 3 hours. So this will travel 3x kilometer, 3x kilometer, and this will travel 3y kilometer, and this much is 30. Here we have done the total, but 3x minus 3y is equal to 30, or 30 plus 3y is equal to 3x. 30 plus 3y is equal to 3x. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Follow? So, divide. So, 10 plus y is equal to x. Now, 10 is equal to x minus y. So, I will not take this. X plus y is equal to 900. So, this will cancel. 2x is equal to 910. This is kilometer and this is minute. 20 minute. 90. So x is equal to 50 kilometer. In total is 90 kilometers. So y is equal to 40 kilometer. Speed indirect given, time direct given, speed into time distance, speed into time distance. Here distance plus distance is equal to 30. Here long distance minus short distance is equal to 30. Follow?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
boys are not asking what boys are doing, or no one boys,
Ma'am, I'll-
because there are prelims of 218 students and only 18 students are joined. So what is rest of 18 200 students are doing?
So page number 126, second sum.
1 to 6. 1 to 6 second of second or direct second?
So second one,
MC.
basketball player.
Right. Basketball player John Wasing Akash. John, for John it is 4 by 5. For this it is
Sir, 3 minutes are left.
no problem. We will restart if there are more questions. This is a MCQ type question, that which are the probability, which are not probability, like that also they will ask. And here, okay, so this will be 0 by 5 means 0.8 zeros, we can type, right? 0.8 is equal to 0.80, 0.8, okay, like that. So 5 by 4 by 5 is equal to 0.80. This is 0.83. This is 58 divided by 100. So it is 0.58. So who is number 1? This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Whose probability is highest? Whose probability is there? So all divide into, all convert into the decimal point. At that you will get the point comparison. Next. First tell me that if there are more difficulties, then only we can rejoin the meeting, otherwise not. Raise your hand, send your
Sir.
question. Say bacha, say. Say.
Page number 54. Sum number 10.
Lily Gupta. Page number?
Yeah. 54.
Okay. After this also, if you will have any doubt, till night also you can send me. Okay. 54.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
54.
10 sum.
10 sum is omitted. 50.
Omitted.
2x square plus 2, that is omitted.
Okay, sir.
But eighth one is very, 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 very important. Eighth one.
Okay, sir.
14 answer you will get, second answer you will not get, so you have to write 0 and 14.
Okay, sir.
Pratiksha, anybody is asking the question, anybody is raising the hand, or don't see in the watch, you can send whenever you got the doubt, you will get the doubt. No, you just send me the message. Within 5 minutes, you will get the answer. Okay, all the best. You utilize your all the total time within 100 minutes. Try to complete. First, try to complete compulsory part within 100 minutes. Suppose within 100 minutes we have solved. So try to solve optional. Then in 20 minutes you have to check all the terms, units, calculation, quadratic and simultaneous. Resubstitute the value. Find out your answer. It is correct or not. Follow? So you need at the end what you are considering, that x and y you have considered as a speed. So write speed of A is equal to this much kilometer per hour, speed of B is equal to this much kilometer per hour. So and write very neat and clean. And first page it should be very clear: name, standard, division, roll number, date, subject, maximum mark. Correct? For any question you can send me the WhatsApp. You will get the answer. And don't concentrate on omitted portion. Correct? And in this algebra only 4 chapters are there. So